say a wrong type of attitude towards human beings. Even towards animals, they won't bear it. So towards human beings to have such an attitude itself shows that you are not worthy of Sahaja at all. So any one of you who has such a feeling that somebody is black and somebody is white cannot be a guru in Sahaja. Then in India we have caste system, equally bad and horrible. It has no sense in it, no basis whatsoever. But in India we have people who believe that some castes are higher and some castes are lower. Every caste people can do all the worst possible things. There is no demarcation for them, and every low caste can be very, very good. We have had many great poets and Sufis in the lowest caste in India. These castes are man-made. You know, man-made cloth doesn't suit us. And all these man-made ideas are not going to suit us, and it will lead us to a great I wouldn't know discretion, but I would say to a complete destruction. Because hatred begets hatred, and it goes on increasing and increasing. If you cannot get rid of your hatred, then I would say you are not a Sahaja. These are all conditionings. You are born in a white family, so you are white. You are born in a Christian family, that's why you are Christian. You are born in a Jew family, that's why you are Jew. All this is just because you are born in that. But does that mean that you are higher or lower? All the problems of the world today, if you see, are because of human attachment to nonsensical ideas of superiority. Only through collective living will change. For example, I would say, in an ashram we should have all colored people living together with the equal rights, with the equal understanding and love and affection. If that is not there, no use calling it an ashram. Once they asked me, Mother, will you come and give a lecture in Harlem? I said, why not? So some Sahaja said, Harlem? Mother, do you know what is Harlem? I said, I know. There's no harm. He said, you know, the blacks are there. And I said, I'm also black. You could call me black or you can call me white. But the love is such a thing, you see. Love is such a thing that cleanses all these ridiculous ideas we have about other people. To brand anyone as black and white shows that you have no eyes to see. Any person with depth, any person with loving heart cannot see these superficial things, cannot see. Today is a day where we are celebrating the Guru's